flower. It's just beautiful. Little rain this morning. I'm out walking to coffee, and this pretty nondescript shrub, but it's got these beautiful flowers just right alongside the road. Oh, check out the spider web too. Totally missed that. Yeah, life is beautiful when you stop to appreciate the little things. Taking a new route, just exploring. Find some beautiful flowers. Okay, I have no idea the significance here, but I just happened through this park, took a intentional wrong turn on the way to coffee, and look at this structure here. I don't know if it's hard to tell if this is a walk up or don't walk up scenario, but I'm gonna go for the walk up. Yeah, this is just amazing. Wow, look at this. So neat. Me and the birds early in the morning. Wow. What a nice park, man. What a nice scene this is. Probably can't see them, but there's tons of flowers over there. But I'm gonna, looks like I need to go down to get to coffee. I don't see a pass through. Look at this gazebo down here. So neat. Okay, yeah. Stairs it is. Well, that was weird. I don't think he got in the lens, but I turned on my camera and a bee just wanted to check out my phone. Look at this play structure. So many lawyers in America, you'd never have that. I watched this great video. I forgot who it was. It was like 5 years ago. Guy was breaking down why parks in America kept getting removed, and all had to do with lawyers and liability cases against cities for play structures just like that. It's a really horrible thing, but and granted, some play structures are really bad, but can only imagine how much fun I would have had on that as a child. Probably never would have left it.